We are from Westwood Elementary in Santa Clara, California, and we were lucky enough to have Mr. Peace come visit our school last year. It really got us pumped up. We were all in tears. We were so happy because you had such a great message. So we really appreciate you coming back for a second time. Yeah, Mr. Peace. Mr. Peace. And we have a circle of friends. It's where we all get together with children and people who need to have friends. Go ahead.
We're all special ed teachers and paraeducators, and we work with students with special needs. And Circle of Friends is where we pair them up with buddies that are gen ed kids, and they come and eat lunch together, and they find out that they're all the same and they're all miracles, because we learned that from Mr. Peace. Yay!
Helping out with Circle of Friends was really fun. We have a lot of candidates, so almost too many. We wish we could get them all in, but we're going to work that out. I think coordinating with, you guys, our administrator, and just keeping up this Circle of Friends is just really great for Westwood, and letting every kid know that they are a miracle and how to help each other and love each other. So, yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Peace.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank
Peace.
you for giving us the idea for the wall, and thank you for giving us your handprint to add to the wall.
Yay!
Peace.
Peace out.